All right, let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about perspective. And now there are multiple points of perspective that we could talk about, all the way up to 6 or 7 points. Today we're going to talk about 1 point or 1 vanishing point perspective. And the most important thing we need to establish first is going to be our horizon line. This is true of any perspective drawing. And your horizon line equals more or less your eye level relative to what we are looking at. So I'm going to draw in a little frame here, so you can see what I'm talking about. And the first thing I'm going to do is plot that horizon line. What I'm going to suggest for horizon lines, though, is that you avoid putting it in the dead center of your page. Just from a compositional standpoint, this avoids your image looking like 2 images stacked on top of each other. I've put my vanishing point in the dead center of my horizon line, and you can think of this as like a vacuum that is sucking in all parallel lines to that point. And then I'm drawing in some trees here to kind of illustrate this recession of size as these shapes recede into the background. We'll do it again with some power poles. And then with those lines that I planted on the ground, I can use those to help guide a framework here where I'm using some of those foreshortening tools that I talked about in another video, using a rectangular prism to build a car and driver in this case.